In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a Microsoft Word document and send it as an attachment, step by step. If you have a Microsoft Word document that you need to send to someone by email, you can attach the document directly to your email message. This allows the recipient to receive the original Word file and open it on their computer or other device. First, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the content is complete. Before sending the file, review the document and make sure you have saved your latest changes. Once your document is ready, open your email service in your web browser and sign in to your email account. Now, create a new email message by selecting the option to compose or create a new message. A new message window will appear. In the recipient field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the document to. Next, add a subject to your email. You can use a simple subject that explains what the attached document is about. This makes it easier for the recipient to understand the purpose of the message. Now, look for the attachment button, which is usually represented by a paperclip icon. Click on it to select a file from your computer. A file selection window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your Microsoft Word document is saved. Select the Word document that you want to send and choose Open. The document will now be added to your email as an attachment. Wait for the attachment to finish loading before sending the message. You should see the document listed in the email, usually below the subject or message area. Now, click inside the message area and type a short message to the recipient. You can explain what the document contains or provide any information they need before opening the attachment. Before sending the email, check the recipient's email address, subject, message, and attached file. Make sure you have selected the correct Word document and that the attachment is visible in the message. Once everything looks correct, click Send. Your email and the Microsoft Word document will now be sent to the recipient as an attachment. The recipient can open the email and access the Word document from the attachment. This method is useful when you need to share reports, letters, assignments, schedules, or other Word documents through email. Sending the document as an attachment also keeps the original Word file available to the recipient. And that's how you can email a Microsoft Word document and send it as an attachment, step by step. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,